Hello everyone, I am Crystal and the technique that I choose is two periods. The two period technique is often denoted by double period. It highly efficient method to conducting searches, particularly when you're looking for information within a specific range or time frame. By utilizing this technique, you can refine your search queries to include only results that falls within specified numerical or chronological parameters. For example, if you're searching historical event that occurs between 1900s to 1950, you can put your query followed by double dot 1900s double dot 1950 to ensure that the search engine returns results only within that period. This eliminates the need to shift through irrelevant information that falls outside your designated range, saving you time and effort. That's all, and thank you.
Google Search by Image is a feature provided by Google that allows users to find information related to a specific image. Instead of typing keywords into the search bar, you can upload an image or provide a URL link to the image. Google then uses its advanced algorithms to analyze the visual content of the image and returns results that match or visually similar to the uploaded image. This feature can be useful for identifying objects, discovering the source of image, or finding higher resolution of it.
The question mark is one of the strategies. The question mark is used if you search through a column with a question. For example, where is the nearest restaurant in Pasig? And don't forget the question mark. As you can see, here is the result that came out, which is a nearby restaurant in Pasig.